How to fix error 403 Google Chrome. So if you want to fix the error 403 on Google Chrome, then first you just need to simply go with your Google Chrome application. Tap and hold on to your Google Chrome, go with the app info, and here make sure that you've turned on the notifications. Once you turn on the notifications, go with your permissions and make sure that you've allowed the permissions, which is location and notifications. You can also go with music and audio, photos and videos and everything, and you can allow the notifications or permissions and everything, and then tap on storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now you just need to simply go with clear access, which is on the bottom left, and it will clear all of your cache. Once you cleared your cache, now you need to go back, scroll down, and go with the browser app. And here you need to make sure that you've selected Google Chrome as the default browser app and not the other applications. Once you've done that, you just need to simply go press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, you'll fix the error or 403. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.